Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. In this channel, I teach on importation from China, and I also give business tips like how to sell the things you are importing from China. So guys, if this sounds interesting to you, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new updates whenever I drop new videos. So guys, let's dive right into the video. The number one update on my list is how to verify your Alipay account. There is a new update. They have moved it from one place to another. It is now on account and security. It's no longer on where it was before. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So to verify your Alipay account, click on settings on your right hand side up. Click on settings, then click account and security. Wait for it to load. Then you can now see identity information. So from here you will see your own as verify your identity. Mine has been verified, so that is why it's showing verified here. So you can now click on it and you verify your account. That's all. The number two update on my list is you can now get an instant refund on 1688. What I mean is if your goods have not been shipped yet and you request a refund, you are going to get it instantly on your Alipay. You receive the money in your Alipay instantly, and it was not like that before. Before now, you have to wait for the seller to accept your refund, or maybe that is it will be like 2 to 3 days, or you have to wait for the system to automatically refund you after 2 or 3 days. So but right now, if your goods have not been shipped and you request a refund, you are going to get it instantly in your Alipay account. So guys, I want to show you how you can request for refund and you get it instantly. So I'm using the website 1688 website right here. So let me translate it. Remember I said the instant refund only works when your product has not been shipped yet. It is on to be delivered. So now I have one product I just ordered. It's on to be delivered. So I'll click on it now. Let me translate it. Translate. Then you can see where they wrote request a refund. Request a refund. Now click request a refund. So can you see that? Enjoy instant refunds before delivery and arrive at the account quickly. So you can now apply for a refund and automatically I will see it in my Alipay account. So let me do it now so that you can see it. Refund successfully. Can you see that? So it's very easy. Now let me show you the amount in my Alipay. So can you see that? That's the refunded amount, 1.95 yuan. See it here. Can you see it? So it's very easy. You get it instantly. The number three update on my list is you can now track your goods live on 1688. I mean live. You will see how the vehicle is moving, where it has gotten to, how it's moving, You are going to see it. Let me show you how to track your goods live on 1688. To track your goods, click on this moving vehicle, then click tracking. I'm using the app, so it's written in Chinese, but if you are using the web or if you translate screenshot of the app, you will see where to click tracking to track your goods. So click on any of the products you want to track like this. So guys, this is how it looks. This is how you can track your goods live. You can zoom in to see how well it is moving. You see the way the vehicle is moving and where it has gotten to. It's so easy. So it was not like this before. This is a new update. You can now track everything, like this. You see it live. It left the store. When it left the store from this place and it's moving and where it will get to. So let me show you how you will know that it has arrived. This particular product here, this bean bag has been delivered. So let me show you the tracking so that you see that it has actually been delivered. This is how you will know that your product has arrived its destination successfully. You can see that it is now showing ticked. If you translate this place now, you're going to see it received. It's received that is written here. So once your goods is showing like this, I mean your tracking is showing like this, just know that it has been delivered. You can go back to see where it came from, how it moved and all of that. So, technology has gone so far and these people are using it so well. So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching. The number fourth update on my list is you can now make payment immediately in a store. What I'm trying to say is before now they will have to redirect you to another place where you will make payment, but right now you can now make the payment immediately as you are selecting maybe quantity and sizes, and also you can now see the local shipping, I mean the delivery fee for your address in that particular store. It is written boldly there. You can now see it immediately. It's not like before that they will have to redirect you. When you click on pay now, it will redirect you to another place. That was when you will now see the amount they are collecting for delivery. But right now, when you enter the seller store, automatically it brings out your address and you see the amount the seller will collect for your shipment to deliver it to your address. That is the shipping company's warehouse in China. You understand? Let me show you how it looks like so that you understand better. So now I want to show you how you can make payment in a store immediately. So let's say you want to order these shoes, these children shoes. You click on it like this. It will take you to the store, right? So here, click to order. Click on this red place to order. Once you click it, it will take you to where you will make your selection. Can you see that? It automatically brings out my details, my shipping details and my name. See Anne collection up there. So you can see the amount for local shipping. Before now, it was not like this. So when you select to make payment, select the quantity. Let's say I want to order one piece. Then you click to make payment. Then immediately from here, it will tell you to just enter your Alipay payment code and make payment. Last but not the least update on my list is you can now save video from a particular chat with a seller. Before now, if a seller sends me a video on our chats, I will have to screen record that video. Maybe I want to show a customer, I'll have to screen record it because there's no space to save it. But the other day, when a seller sent me a video, he sent me a link to an app that I can use to save that video. So I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. I ordered this chair, then I realized that there's no video in the seller store for me to see what the chair actually looks like, whether it is a real chair or it is a small chair. I wanted to see how big it is, you know, because I don't want what happened to me with those plates. If you have been following me on this channel, you know what I ordered versus what I got with some plates I bought from this same website. So I decided to chat the seller. Or I said the seller should send me a video. So let me show you our chat. So this is my chat with the seller, and he sent this link to me to be able to download the video. So click on the link like this. But when I clicked on the link, it asked me to download the link. So it's asking me to download again. Yes, download again. So you can see it's downloading right now. So when it downloads, I'm going to show you the video. You can actually watch it here on the app. So guys, this is the video. The app is just like TikTok, you know. They are also the owner of TikTok. Yes, Chinese people are also the owner of TikTok. So this is the video of the chair. This is how it is. You guys should get ready for the unboxing of this chair, man. This is the chair I'm going to be using for my content. You guys are going to be seeing it in my content very soon. Wait for the unboxing. Let me fast forward it so that this video doesn't get long. So this is how to fix the chair when it arrives. Don't worry, when it arrives, I'm going to show you. There you go. Isn't it beautiful? That's the chair. I have a bonus for you guys. So this bonus is how you can easily source products on 1688 without stress. Like this one is so easy. When you see a product on 1688, there's a place, one small place like that, that you will click and it will now show you thousands of that product that is available on 1688. So let's dive right into the video. Let me show you how you can do that. So let me show you the trick to search for product on this app sharp sharp. So if you are already on this app like this, then maybe you want to see more of this product, you want to see if you can get it cheaper, you understand, just click on the product like this instead of saving it on your phone and going about using photo search to search it with picture. No, don't do that. Just click on it. When you click on it, look below, you will see where there is a search icon. So click on it. Okay, when you click on it, just wait for it. It will automatically bring out all the product, and this one makes it more easier to show you more of the product than any other method that you know. You can also do this using the website. It is also on the website. Can you see that? So this is how to search. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned one or two things today. If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button, share it, drop your comments, and also subscribe for more. If you want to see more updates on Alipay, 1688, and other things like other business tips, just subscribe so that you will always get notified whenever I upload new videos. And also I have a request for you. Please, I have a request. I created a new channel recently for my other niches. I want to be dropping inspirational messages on the other channel, lifestyle, family lifestyle, and marriage talks, motherhood, and so much more. So if you are interested in learning more about inspirational content, motherhood content, marriage talks, relationship talks, please consider subscribing to my second channel, Oches Inspires. Oches Inspires. And I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing. You are going to enjoy great content, inspirational content. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can easily access my second channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and also watch my videos on my second channel. And I promise you are going to get inspired by my stories, my messages, and other things. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing too. See you in my next video. Bye bye.